Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Epson EcoTank ET-4850, a printer designed for small businesses and home offices. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about design. The ET-4850 sports a compact F4-letter footprint, making it ideal for smaller workspaces. It comes in a sleek black finish, with a front-facing paper tray and visible ink tanks. The 6.1 cm touchscreen is well positioned for easy access. And there's a surprise feature: an automatic document feeder neatly hidden under the top panel. Moving on to features, this printer is a true all-in-one. It can print, scan, copy, and even fax documents up to A4 size. The auto-duplexing feature allows for double-sided printing, which is a huge time saver. Connectivity options include USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet, ensuring compatibility with various devices and network setups. Now, let's talk performance. The ET-4850 impressed us with its print speed of up to 15 pages per minute for monochrome documents. The print quality at 4800 by 1200 dpi resolution is sharp and clear, making it perfect for text documents and mixed color prints. However, it's worth noting that while it handles photos adequately, it may not satisfy professional photographers due to some color accuracy issues. Setting up the ET-4850 was a breeze. Simply plug it in, load the paper, and follow the on-screen instructions. The Epson Smart Panel app makes setup and operation even easier, allowing you to manage printing and scanning directly from your smart device. It's a thoughtful addition that enhances the user experience. Wrapping up, the Epson EcoTank ET-4850 is a solid choice for small offices and home setups. Its low running costs thanks to the refillable ink tanks are a huge plus. And the inclusion of ample ink bottles ensures you won't be running out anytime soon. While it may not be the best for high-end photo printing, its performance with everyday documents is commendable. That's all for today's review on the Epson EcoTank ET-4850. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, your source for unbiased tech reviews. See you next time.